Hello everyone. So today we will learn the local and global variable in a Python. So start. Local variable can only be accessed within a function. It means we can write the local variable in a function only, and we can access that one or modify the local variable in a function only. It is called as a local variable. In an example, div num, we are taking the function name and right here a is equal to 10 variable and print a. So we can call here num function, output will be the 10. So here we are taking the a variable as a local and we can print it down. We didn't mention the local keyword here. Okay, no need to mention, or we can't mention. Okay, so this is the way to write the local variable. In next, global variable can be defined using global keyword. Global variable are declared outside the function. Oh, here is the one major difference with the local variable and global variable. Like global variable declared inside the function, and global sorry local variable declared inside the function, and global variable declared outside the function. This is a major difference. Second difference is like global variable need to declare global keyword while using inside the function. So this is the difference. We will check the multiple difference in the next videos. So here example is like a declared, here a variable declared and value mentioned is 10, div num, and global we are typing here, and a is a variable. So print a and call the function is num, output will become is 10. So this is the way to write the global variable. We can look this one in a practical way next. Let's start the coding. So we can take a first local variable like div num, and sorry this one, and we can type here a is equals to 10, and we can print here print a. After that we can call this one using the num. That's all. And so we can check here python main.py and hit, yeah, 10 is showing us. So here is the one scene. Suppose I want to use this a outside the function, then can I use? So check print a. Suppose I will try, but here it's showing me the error like a is not defined, because a is defined only in a function. That's why he already smart, this editor, they already give us the error on while typing only. No need to type here run the that python main.py, they directly show here only. So it means local variable we can't use outside the function. So let's start with the global variable. We can put here a variable is equals to 10, and we can div num, and we can directly give the print a, and we can call this function using num. That's all. That's all. So simple. We can use this one also. Yeah, 10 is showing, but we can access global function, global variable in a function, but we can't change, right? We can check, like suppose I want to change the values. A is equals to a plus, we can take 20. Okay, I will take 20, but they are giving me the error. Yeah, they give me the error most recently call last, like this way they are giving me the error. Either than I will type here like global a, then they are giving me the good answer like 30. then what you can access global, but you can't modify without using the global keyword. You can't modify. You can access, but you can't. And in similar way, we can access print a, means we can access this global variable outside the function also. Like this way we can check. Yeah, first 10 after 30. Why? Because we didn't call function before the print. That's the why they are giving the 10. Suppose I will call this one after the function, then it will the changing results they are giving me like this way 30 30, because we call this one and after that we can print. That's the reason. So I think so you understand little bit. Don't be confused. If you have any confusion, please write down the comment, or keep enjoying with the Python. Do fun. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.